Hello everyone and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Anshika with an update on Australia weather. Australia faces winter blast, faster and heavy rainfall and strong winds sweep across multiple states. A powerful burst of winter weather is sweeping across southeastern Australia, bringing widespread faster and chilly mornings, rainy and gusty winds as millions begin a cold start to the new week. Weather officials say a strong cold air mass moving north from the southern ocean has pushed temperatures well below average across Tasmania, Victoria and the Australian Capital Territory. Overnight conditions have become cold enough for a widespread frost, with some inland communities waking up to icy landscape and freezing temperatures. Tasmania has experienced one of the coldest starts to the week, with frost covering the large parts of the state during the early morning hours. Similar conditions have spread across much of the Victoria and the Australian Capital Territory, where motorists have been warned to watch for icy roads and reduced visibility during the morning commute. While the southeast shivers under freezing conditions, rain-bearing weather systems are moving across other parts of Australia. Showers are expected to affect regions of the New South Wales, South Australia and southern Western Australia, bringing wet and windy weather throughout the day. Forecasters say coastal areas could also experience rough surfs and strong winds as the cold front moves eastwards. Meteorologists explain that the current weather pattern is being driven by a series of cold fronts crossing southern Australia. These systems are drawing icy Antarctic air into the region, while also generating bands of rain and gusty winds. As a result, temperatures across many southeastern communities are expected to remain well below the seasonal average. In alpine region of Victoria and New South Wales, the colder air is creating favorable conditions for snowfall. Ski resorts are expected to receive fresh snow, providing a welcome boost to the winter tourism season, while making mountains roads more hazardous for travelers. Authorities are urging motorists to drive carefully during frosty mornings, particularly in elevated and inland areas where black ice may develop. Farmers are also being advised to protect sensitive crops and livestock from freezing overnight temperature. Looking ahead, forecasters expected the condition to persist through the first half of the week, with additional cold fronts like to bring more showers, gusty winds and chilly mornings across southern Australia, while some northern regions will remain relatively mild. The southeast is expected to continue experiencing classic winter weather. That's all for now. We continue to monitor Australia winter weather and bring you the latest updates as they become available. If you found this report informative, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more weather news and breaking updates from around the world. Thanks for watching and stay safe.